And now we're talking about being on the receiving end of those 1099s. Okay. So those are probably coming in the door. And yeah, you might get some that are late. That also happens. We do live in a world and do taxes in a world where people are human, which PS is the title of my book, Taxes for Humans. So you're probably getting these 1099s in the door, and a best practice when you receive a 1099, honestly, any tax document, but here we'll talk about 1099s. I want you to just take a look at it, right? The things you want to check when you get a 1099 are that your name is correct, right? You want your full legal name on that 1099. That's important. You also want to check that your social security number or tax ID number on that 1099 is also correct. I've absolutely seen it where people issue a 1099 to somebody and they just like have a little dyslexic moment and they reverse 2 digits in the social security number. Well, that's a really big deal. That is not going to get reported correctly, and it's going to cause you major headaches. You need to get that corrected. Okay. Same as if your name is wrong. And the third piece of information that is critically important is how much they paid you, right? This one's probably a little more obvious to you, but of course, I have seen 1099s where a person issues my client a 1099 and they put an extra zero on the amount that they paid them, right? So they paid you $1,000, but they report that they paid you $10,000. Well, the problem with that, my friends, is that if you get that 1099, the IRS has its own copy of it, and you are on the hook for paying the taxes on $9,000 you never received, right? So you need that corrected. Okay.